Today's workshop upgrade is sponsored by Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back. So everyone has heard about Temu, I have, and I finally decided to check into them and they let me order a few items. And what I love about Temu is that you can get up to 90% off, so very low prices on items that you need. The theme for this video is going to be organizing and updating my workshop. I've already started organizing my tools and stuff some, but I ran out of space on my woodworking side. I have tools laying in a pile on the ground that I have nowhere for, and there is no cover across my garage, so being in Oklahoma, leaves blow inside my workshop all the time. So for this upgrade, that is where we started. I use the leaf blower to blow the leaves out of the garage, and then my husband came up and sucked and bagged them up. Now, I've had a lot of friends order stuff off Temu, and I just hadn't done it personally. So this is my first time trying out their products, and when I was scrolling through the website looking for items that I wanted to try out for this video, I was blown away by the prices. Like, I heard that they were low cost, but they're really, really low cost. So not only do they have a wide variety of items, so there is something for everyone for up to 90% off, but they offer free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. My first item that I am trying out is a garage screen door cover. I have one on my one-car garage side, which is my spray booth, and I decided that the other side, which is my two-car garage, needed one as well. This is my woodworking shop. I thought I would add a little trick and flip my hammer and catch it, but you can see I have no coordination, so that was an epic fail. The next epic fail of this video is the fact that this is for a one-car garage screen. It will not fit a two-car garage at all. Now, I measured and I thought I ordered one for a two-car garage. Maybe I clicked the wrong thing. Maybe Temu sent me the wrong item. I don't know, but I will save that and use it for the other side whenever that one gets old and tattered. My next item is a keypad to get into the garage door. After switching out the battery a few times and trying to program it, it just simply would not work. It was a dud, so that was a fail as well, unfortunately. Good thing they have that free 90-day return policy, right? Now, my next few items, though, worked out wonderfully for my shop. The items that I used and worked out well, I will have links in the description for you to use if you need one of those for your workshop as well as a link to download the Temu app if you have not already. And I also have a special code for you to get yourself even more of a discount than what's already offered on the website and the app. Make sure you use this specific code to get yourself a $100 coupon bundle. All right, so in houses, studs are supposed to be a certain amount of space between each other. And this is the second or third time trying to hang something in my house that just did not work. There was not a stud where there was supposed to be one. And I have not found a stud finder that works. So if you know of one that you have and it for sure works, please let me know in the comments so I can get myself one. So I stopped running into the issue of making multiple holes in my wall whenever I hang something. All right, now this little rack is made to hang on the wall, and you can hang up all of your drills. Between my husband and me and combining our households together when we got married, we have a lot of drills, a lot of power tools. So this rack is a way to keep them neatly organized and out of the way. And I love that the tool organizer is under $15, so fantastic price. All right, my next step in organizing my workshop is to move a pegboard over into this woodworking shop. Now, I have this old metal pegboard that was there in the workshop whenever we moved into the house, so I have no idea how old this thing is. But the area that was in is my spray booth, so it has gotten some paint on it, so it looks blah. I will eventually paint that and update it. Right now, I was just moving it over to the woodworking shop so I can hang up my tools, and once I do the next phase, which will be painting the walls and epoxying my floors, I will pick a color and spray paint this and actually make it look nice and new again. And I didn't come up with a system of hanging this back up. I just took down what the previous owners had done in this household and moved it to this wall. I don't know if you noticed, but my husband has done most of the work for this video, and I've just helped here and there, and he is such a big help, and I'm always so thankful for him. Now, the next item that I got from Temu is these straps to help organize and hang up your extension cords. These things are Velcro, so they're adjustable, but they can hold up to 50 pounds, so they're super durable. Previously, my extension hose just kind of laid in a pile on top of my wood scrap pile, so this is so much better for them. My last item I got to try out are these little organizing bins that are made to attach to your pegboard. These come with a hook to attach them to the pegboard, and you can get them in a 2-pack or even a 5-pack for under $7. So the price is really good on these as well. I ended up getting 9 of them because I think they're the perfect size to put in all the different size of screws that I need when I go to attach new hardware onto my furniture pieces. To organize the rest of the tools in my woodworking shop, I just used some old pegboard hooks that I had that were already attached to this pegboard and just hung them up in the best way that I thought looked all neat and organized. And I can't express how happy I am to finally have a designated space for my clamps instead of a pile on the floor. Thank you, Temu, for sending me these products. I absolutely love these extension cord hooks, the little bins that I will organize all of my different size screws in, and I love the wall mount to hold all of my power tools. My garage is definitely a work in progress, but I'm one step closer to having the workshop setup of my dreams. If you haven't already, make sure you use the link in the description to download the Temu app and make sure you use the coupon to start getting you some deals. That's all I have for you today. Until next time.